Hello students, we are doing now chapter number 2, that is chemical changes and the reaction. See, what is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction is the process of breaking of the bond in the reactants and formation of new bonds in the product is called chemical reaction. See example, this is the reactant H2 and I2. Reaction between H2 and I2. दिस इज द रिएक्टेंट एंड दिस बॉन्ड इज ब्रेक. H और H के बीच का बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा और H और I के बीच में बॉन्ड जो है वो फॉर्मेशन होगी. सो दिस बॉन्ड इज ब्रेक एंड दिस I2 के बीच में भी बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो रहा है और इन दोनों के बीच में बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन हो रही है. सो वी कैन राइट हियर F एंड दिस इज ब्रेकिंग ऑफ द बॉन्ड and completely break down, then it will completely break this bond and new bond is completely formed. This is called product and this is the reactant. So breaking of bonds in the reactant and the formation of new bond in the product is called chemical reaction. Now what is the chemical bond? Chemical bond is the force that binds the two atoms together in a molecule. ये वो bond है, दिस बॉन्ड इज द फोर्स विच बाइंड्स द टू एटम्स. दोनों एटम्स को एक दूसरे के को बाइंड करता है एक मॉलिक्यूल के अंदर. दैट इज कॉल्ड केमिकल बॉन्ड. नाउ व्हाट इज द कंडीशन नेसेसरी फॉर द केमिकल रिएक्शन? दिस यू कैन सी हियर द कंडीशंस. फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज मिक्सिंग, सॉल्यूशन, हीट, लाइट, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, प्रेशर एंड कैटलिस्ट. All these are the conditions required for the chemical reaction. So first condition is mixing. A chemical reaction takes place when we mix the substances together. For example, when we mix the phosphorus and iodine, then the reaction will take place very explosively. और हाइड्रोजन एंड आयोडीन के बीच में जो रिएक्शन है ये भी हम जब इन्हें मिक्स करेंगे तो ही रिएक्शन होगी. सो व्हेन द रिएक्टेंट्स आर मिक्स टुगेदर देन द रिएक्शन इज टेक्स प्लेस. सेकेंड कंडीशन इज सॉल्यूशन फॉर्म. Some of the reaction is takes place in the solution form when they are dissolved in the water. AQ means aqueous. Aqueous means this NaCl is the salt. It is dissolved in the water. And silver nitrate, it is also in the liquid form, solution form. When these both are in solution form, they are mixed together. Then the silver chloride, white precipitate of silver chloride is formed with the silver nitrate. Next is heat. Some of the reactions are takes place on the presence of heat only. For example, this green compound copper carbonate, it is a green color compound. When we heat it, it is changes into black color. This is due to the formation of copper oxide and carbon dioxide gas. They see कॉपर कार्बोनेट का फॉर्मूला CuCO3 और इसमें से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस निकल जाएगी और कॉपर ऑक्साइड ब्लैक कलर पाउडर इज फॉर्म्ड इन दिस रिएक्शन. सो दिस रिएक्शन इज टेक्स प्लेस ओनली इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ हीट ओनली. नेक्स्ट इज लाइट. कैन यू टेल any reaction which is takes place in the presence of light only? Yes, you're right. This is photosynthesis. In the photosynthesis, light is necessary. If there is no light, no photosynthesis reaction will be takes place. In the photosynthesis, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water combine together to form glucose, 1 molecule of the glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. Now silver nitrate solution, it is kept in the brown bottle, and hydrogen peroxide, this is also kept in the brown bottle. Silver nitrate and hydrogen peroxide, they are kept in the brown bottle because in the presence of sunlight they decompose. Silver nitrate will decompose in the presence of sunlight to give silver, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. And similarly, hydrogen peroxide in the presence of sunlight, it decomposes it to give water and oxygen gas. That is why these do not decompose and do not change their color, so they are kept in the brown bottles so that there is no reaction with the sunlight. Next is condition is electricity. Some of the reaction is takes place only in presence of electricity. For example, electrolysis of acidulated water. Acidulated water is H2O. In presence of electricity, they are changed into hydrogen and O2. This is the reaction. In the presence of electricity, the acetylated water is break down into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Next condition is pressure. Some of the reaction takes place only in the presence of high pressure. For example, nitrogen and hydrogen combine to form ammonia gas. This NH3 is the ammonia gas. This reaction takes place only in the presence of high pressure. And similarly, some reactions needs a catalyst. For example, nitrogen and hydrogen combines to form ammonia gas in presence of iron as a catalyst. Otherwise, it requires very high temperature. So that is impossible to attain. That is why we can use the catalyst. A pinch of powder of the iron act as a catalyst and it accelerates the reaction. And the molybdenum, MO is molybdenum, it act as a promoter. Now what is promoter? Now what is catalyst? Catalyst is a substance, chemical substance that changes the rate of a reaction or speed of the reaction, but do not undergo any change in itself. There are two types of catalysts, positive catalyst and negative catalyst. What are the positive catalysts? Positive catalysts are those catalysts which increases the rate of the reaction, means rate of reaction और speed reaction की increase हो जाती है, बढ़ जाती है. That is why the positive catalyst. For example, this is the hydrogen peroxide in presence of manganese dioxide changes into water and oxygen gas. Means oxygen gas is produced from the hydrogen peroxide in the presence of manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxide का यहाँ पे क्या काम है? It is a positive catalyst. It increases the speed of the reaction. Reaction की speed को ये बढ़ा देता है, इसलिए यह एक positive catalyst है. जो reaction की speed को बढ़ा देता है, that is the positive catalyst. और जो reaction की speed को कम कर देगा, that is the negative catalyst. For example, 2H2O same reaction में अगर हम phosphoric acid डालते हैं, then phosphoric acid act as a negative catalyst. It may decreases the speed of the reaction or it may stop the reaction. This first topic is completed in the chapter number 2A part. Now next topic we will do characteristics of the chemical reaction.